Hello guys and welcome to Jam.py. My name is Dean Babik and I would like to show you how to use Jam.py with a new style of the design which was created by Max some time ago. So Max utilized CSS for his application, and the copy of CSS you can find on Jam.py Python Anywhere builder.com. The application is fully open but read-only. You can copy the complete CSS into project file which you can find on task project CSS. Plus you will need the icons which you can find on task index HTML, which is used in here, line 17, simple icons. Just copy this line into your project index HTML and create the project CSS, and everything will work, except you'll find on tracks a problem with the drop-down menu. If you click on the drop-down menu in here, the options are missing. From 5 we see only 3. So Max provided the solution for that as well. It was a collaboration this morning, and around the line 500 and something you will see the drop-down menu. What's needed is increasing Z index to 2000. Let's see what happens. When we change it to 2000 and reload the application, this will start working nicely. Here we go. Also, Ali provided some time ago enforcing passwords complexity solution, and that will work nicely with the default Jam.py style. However, when we use the same modern design, this is what happens. When we click on change password, everything is moved on the right. This is because the form doesn't use the template. So we need a simple template in index HTML file, which is called change password, let's say. This one here. So I created a simple template which is using the same div ID from Alice solution, which is this ID here, and the wordings which is in here. So instead of using the function style solution, we're using the template style solution, and the result is this. So it works really nicely with the new style of Jam.py application. Of course, in change password JavaScript, we commented out the parts which are now in the template and not needed in here. So that's all, folks. I hope you liked it. Thanks.